Hello, how are you? I'm a goofball. You know that already. Dave Not here at Dave Not Trading. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. Um, Today was Friday, February 16th, 2024. Do you notice that I have my first PA account? Uh, I took advantage of the 1 day to pass, and I really went after both accounts. I blew the 50,000, but I have concentrated my efforts lately at the $25,000 account because of the 1-to-1 ratio, meaning that it takes 1,500 to win, 1,500 to lose. I am trading 9 contracts at the 25K, and I will add up to 18 occasionally. Today, so today was day 2, and I can get, well, there's a holiday on Monday, so that doesn't count. But if you count the days left in February, there are 10 days. I took 15th and the 16th, so day count today's 2, and there's 8 trading days left still in February that I could possibly get a payout in March. Uh, the maximum amount that I can get first month is 1,500. That would mean that I'd have to get to 26.1. Well, excuse me, 1,500. Excuse me, 25,000 plus 1,600. I believe you have to have 26.6, and then to get a 1,500 payout on that, I'd have to have 28.1. I need to double check that, but I believe that's the numbers. Now, getting 28,100 from here is asking a lot in 10 days trading a $25,000 account, where in actuality you're trading a $1,500 account. So I don't want to trade 6 or 3. I want to stay to 9 contracts in the MNQ on the 25K. I do have a limit loss of 500, so if I lose, I think, let's double check that loss limit that I put in. Let me blow this up. But I did put a loss limit into this. Where'd it go? It is 525. I put a loss limit in at 525. So if it goes 525 against me, I want to stop trading on the PA. I'm going to switch that to 550. Give myself a little bit of room there and apply that. Oh, shit. Can't see it. All right, let me get this off the screen. Try to figure out what the hell I'm doing here. Let me pause. So here's an interesting tab today. So this is the trade count. Performance. I wish this would show. This just shows the day. So that I'm up 351, 323.46. Commission costs. That should be $1.02, right? 27.54 minus 1.02. That's not right. 27.54 divided by 1.02. 27. So 27 trades. So 11 times 2, trade count 9 and 2. 9 winning trades, 2 losers. But there was 27 altogether. So that's not correct in the performance account. But the win percent's right. Today, 81% win rate. I took 2 contracts. That makes sense because I had 2 trailers, I believe. This doesn't look right. But anyway, so I was set up this way. Let me get. This is what I was set up today for. I grab a spreadsheet. Now we did go down about 6p today. I didn't start trading until all the reports were out. I waited till after the 10:30 mark today. I'm trying to find my sweet spot that I want to trade, to be honest. I want a 90-minute window for the most part. I'm trying to take one account to profit before I add another. Now, if there's a 90% off, I probably will take advantage of that, or an 80% off. I probably should have added one more. I really don't want to add it 71% off when I know and obviously I don't want to really, not obviously, you don't know this, but I really don't want to throw any more money at Apex until I get paid, or at least get in the vicinity where I can get paid, even if it's $500, and then open up another one. Let's get out. Let me pause again and let's double check what the 25K numbers are. So here's an interesting thing that I can do. So your account balance has to be at least 26.6 to request a payout. You have to leave 500 in the account. So means that you can go down to $50K account. If your balance reaches 52,000, you cannot request a payout. You must be at least 52.6 in order to request a payout. You can request up to 2,000, leaving you a balance of 50,600. Remember, your balance cannot go below 50,100 in this example without failing the account. You're able to take off that amount, but that would leave you only 500 in drawdown room. So 50,100, that means that would be a 25,000 account means that you have to leave 25,100. So you basically would close the account or you would fail it. You get to pay out. You could request a payout at 26.6. It's basically you'd close the account out at the 25K account. Give you a $1,500 money. So a $1,600 gain, you could physically go and close that account out. To make withdrawal request, starting balance plus 100. 10 days are required to request. So I could physically take PA21 to 26.6 and then get 1,500 out and then start another PA or EA in the process, qualify that, get it above, but that $1,500 would pay for the year that I've put money in. So right now I'm about $600 in overall. 5, 6, somewhere in that area. I've had just used 35. I'm at 139 plus 122, 17. So 6 times 35, 595 and $130. So I'm in about 725. Say 700 roughly, because I averaged up. So I'm in about 700 right now. And if I got an account balance to 26.6 on the PA, I could request $1,500 payout, basically closing the account out. So if I got it to 27,000, 1,500, that would leave 25.5. That leave can't go below 25.1. Leave you a $400 drawdown. If I wanted to leave 20, that's a $1,500 withdrawal right there at 26.6. So we'll see where we end up after the end of 10 days and then go from there, basically. So there is an option that I can take out. I would be closing that PA account, which I really don't want to do because I want to try to build to, my first goal is to build to 5 PAs that are paying. That would be 1,500 times 5. All right, I'm going to take this phone call, see who the hell's calling me. All right, so what were we talking about? I don't know. Well, this is the SIM account, right? This is, that one's failed, the 135, if I keep it. It's got a payout of 33.60, I believe, in March. That I have to, so I'm thinking about keeping that 50,000. I'm debating about adding an extra 25K account so I can trade it. They have this 1-day pass thing that's kind of tempting right now to the 21st. So I might add one more 25,000 account on Monday of next week and see if I can pass that in 3 days. And then I'll just have it sitting out there, because you don't have to pay for it right away. That might make my decision a little bit easier how I want to either close the account after 10 trading days on the 25K. But basically, the bottom line is don't fail the damn thing, right? I do want to read some things I wrote yesterday. Actually, I owe you guys a video for me just talking, a live video. I've been still under the weather here. Hold on. So I wrote this yesterday in my notes, and I just want to read it to you guys. Thursday, February 15th. You must maintain control when trading. You woke up dizzy. Stay away when not optimum. You cannot over leverage this account. When in doubt, stay out. You know your strength is not trading the afternoon normally, or is it? I would say it's not really my strength to trade the afternoon. I got stuck yesterday. I was actually up yesterday $230, and then I got caught in a movement between. I tried to trade 233 to 4, and I got caught yesterday. I finished today up 100, but I could have easily lost 500 yesterday. So I got here. I'll just read what I wrote. You knew the market looked like it was going to close strong, but it waited to move up until after 4 p.m. today. Then a strong move from a little after 4 p.m. to 4:10 roughly. This happens every so often. It was a very controlled 3:30 to 4 o'clock. How do you stay out of that mess? So I'm asking myself once again, how do I stay out of a mess? And honestly, once I had that first loser yesterday had 3 trades in the morning, and I pulled the account up to 230, and then I got caught between a little after 3:30 to 4, and it was just I grinded it out, and it was very frustrating. It's the stuff that I need to stay away from. You have to look to the left and determine if the market is trending or not. It's easy to guess after the fact, but tough when in the middle. Do not get locked in a trade. Do not add to a losing position. What was my goal today? 500. I need clear signals to get into a trade. Be careful reversing. They very rarely make money. I am a better trader in a trend that is determined. Stay away from the junk like from 3:30 to 4 today. There was nothing in there to trade, just trash for trades. Momentum will come in the market if you wait for it. Do not, can't read my own freaking handwriting. Do not counter trend the momentum. Is that what I said? Counter trend? Do not counter trend the momentum. It is better to trade with Momo. So that's what I wrote in my notes yesterday. I did not write it in my journal, but I wrote it in my notes. And I've been very selective in what I write in my journal this time around, journal 33. That's a nice down move right now. What signal that? Look at the 363 chart right now. I mean, we are in a down day overall. I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. I want to make sure not to take any more trades today. So let's get out of that account. Here's my 4-minute chart, which is set at 10 minutes right now. Let's go down to the 4-minute mark. So that's inside a range right now, right? It's a difficult trade to take on. Looking at 1 minute, did that show anything? Not really. That's looking back to here. So it looks good when you until you look at it at a higher time frame, right? The higher time frame kind of shows you, is it good? Now it might be, I don't know. Anyway, I'm staying away from trades. I'd made my money now and I'm done. So I was curious what the market was trying to show there. That's what makes the 1, 2, 3 tick chart look so good, but can be a double-edged sword on you right now. So it moved, and then the indicator stayed underneath here. It stays underneath like this when the momentum is really hitting there. Have a false breakout. Makes it difficult to trade this. I mean, you just don't want to trade this by itself, go long here. You want to most likely continue the short move. If I was going to do anything here, I would definitely end up taking a short trade on and looking at momentum. Reason being that our 369 chart hasn't shown any really volume here to get you excited about going long.
Stop filled.
Well, I tell you what, I'm getting a lot of phone calls today.
Stop filled.
All right, so that one took you out there. So that's wrong right there. You know, the sim doesn't show correctly where your entry point was. Was back here. The break of this area is where my entry point was, and then this stuff here is inconsequential. It didn't happen that way. So trading with the trend, trying not to, can't just, bottom line, you can't just look at one indicator without knowing what's going on overall. right? That's the bottom line. Here was our 1 minute chart showing weakness. Our 4 minute chart was showing that you should be trading short and a break below this area. Overall, here's a trend line, right? So I guess you could say this is above that area maybe, but you are in a down day. So that's your overall trend on the day right now, right? Reaching back down in this area, anything above pivot would be more apt for longs. Below pivot, more apt for shorts. Another reason to take a short only trade right there, right? I don't know. Some things make sense. You got to stay. What I've come to conclusion is I got to stay in my wheelhouse of trades. If I trade just any Tom, Dick, and Harry setup, then I put myself in a position where I'm at the mercy of the market. Where if I trade in my strength, um, I'm more apt to take winning trades on. Let's wrap it up here. It's 20 minutes of talking today. I think we've covered everything I wanted to cover. 25,000 account, trying it's PA number 21. So I did qualify for my first PA account in 2024. I have 10 trading days available in February, so I can request, if I get enough money, request a payout in March. I believe I'm going to add another 25K account on the 19th. That's a 71% discount though. I wish I had one at 80, but hey, it was what it is, what it is. So the goal is to try to pass that other PA in 3 days before the 21st so that you can, or if it doesn't pass, that's fine. Take it 7 days and pass it. So that's kind of the overall that I'm looking at right now. I think this is the best chart to have up to show the overall market right now. The 4 minute chart. This is my chart that helps me determine which direction I want to go more than not. There was an easy trade on the long side going back to VWAP, and I believe that's the trade that I ended up winning today for the most part. Um, and then I didn't trade any of this. I was done before the 11 o'clock, I believe, overall. I did capture a short side trade. I think it was after 10:30, and then I had a long that I caught, and I had one loser along the way, I believe. So um, I had 3 trades overall, I believe. Yeah, 3 trades, and I won 2, lost 1. All right, we're going to get out of here. So I hope you have a good rest of the week. Monday is a holiday, so there's no trading on Monday. Enjoy your 3-day weekend with President's Day being here. And we'll see you on the next video I put together. It's Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.